I'm going to show you the best Coursera Plus discount code. Now, all you have to do is that you have to click on the link down below or on the pinned comment down below to get this offer. You can get an offer for a discount or you can get an offer for a 7-day free trial. Now, you can see on my offer right now, it's about $59 per month. I can cancel anytime and I can get a 7-day free trial as well. Or I can get a $399 per year contract with a 14-day money back guarantee. If you want to go ahead and start with this, you just have to tap on start 7-day free trial and then you can go ahead and sign in or make an account right here, and then you can enjoy the benefits of either a 7-day free trial or a discount that comes with Coursera Plus. All you need to do is to click on the link down below or on the pinned comment down below. After that's done, you can start enjoying the benefits. Again, you just have to make an account and then you can start having the benefits or getting the discount by just pressing on this blue button right here.